Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys something that you can do pregnant or not, because as you guys know, I'm pregnant. Yes, baby's almost here. I'm currently 161 pounds. Sorry about the bad lighting. I'm just in the kitchen using natural lighting, and I'm just about to make a smoothie, and I thought I'd just capture this quickly and help somebody out there that wants to gain some weight, or just want to be full and stay fuller for longer throughout the day and have something nutritious if you're on the run or busy, and yeah, you just want to feel good and taste something flavorful at the same time, because right now it's hard for me to hold down anything, and I still want to maintain the weight that I have. I don't want to really lose any weight. I want to keep gaining weight and healthy weight while I'm pregnant. And I'm sure this is going to help somebody out there that who's not pregnant, or you might be pregnant and you don't have an appetite, or you might be pregnant and you're not gaining enough weight and you need some help, or you might not be pregnant and you just want help to just gain some weight. So I am gonna show you guys a simple oats, peanut butter and banana smoothie. You don't have to add you don't have to add the bananas in there, but yeah, you just need oats, peanut butter. I'm gonna be using this PB Fit peanut butter powder. First time I'm gonna be using it, and it's 100 calories per pack, 110 calories per pack, 3 grams of fat, 3 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of protein, which I really need a lot of protein right now, and I think the fat content is alright. 3 grams is alright, and 110 calories is just great. So this is already in my NutriBullet thingy, and we're gonna go ahead and blend it up. So I'll show you guys how I do that now. But yeah, let's hope this recipe will help you guys, and I hope you try it out. Comment below if you want any more of these types of videos. I do have a fresh fruit one coming out because I love fresh fruit smoothies. So yeah, look out for that one coming right up. So all you need is some peanut butter powder, or you could just use a tablespoon of peanut butter. It's up to you. I'm going to be using a little bit of this vanilla here. It's like a Jamaican vanilla, just like a teaspoon. Some oats and 1 banana, and I'm just going to blend it up. Or as I said, already added the peanut butter powder, and this is the consistency of it. It's quite a lot actually. You can use these to make pancakes, you can use them to do anything, and this is also a great recipe to do overnight oats with. So yeah, you can leave this overnight and have a nice breakfast in the morning. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and add the bananas and the oats, a little bit of milk. You can use any kind of milk you want. You can use cow's milk, oat milk, coconut milk, whatever, plant-based or vegetarian, vegan, whatever you are. You can just customize this for your type of diet, okay? And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it up and show you guys what it looks like at the end, and do a taste test also. So this is what it looks like right now. I got the oats, peanut butter and the banana in. Now we're gonna add, I'll just show you guys the little bit of vanilla I'm gonna add in. That's just gonna give it a little flavor. Some people will add, just throw it in. Some people can add cinnamon in there if you want to. If you don't add cinnamon, you can use vanilla, almond flavoring, whichever you want. It's still gonna give it a nice flavor. Now we're gonna add the milk and blend. You can also add ice to this if you want, but I'm just gonna add ice cold water and just a little bit of milk. So guys, this is the consistency now. When you add a little bit of water and milk, I'm gonna blend this bad boy up and give it a taste test for you guys. Ooh, it's gonna be so yummy. This is the consistency. We're gonna pour it in a glass, show you guys. It is so nice. Not too thick. If you want it a bit thicker, you can add less liquid or more oats. And you don't have to add the banana in there. You can just, I just did that for flavoring. Banana, oats, and peanut butter goes so well together. But this is it. Let's give it a taste test, guys. It looks so good. Can't wait to try this. So we're gonna do a taste test now. So excited. And yeah, sorry if I look a bit crazy, but this made a whole glass, maybe almost a pint. I don't know. Oh my god, that one banana gave it such a flavor, and the vanilla. You guys need to hear about a teaspoon of vanilla in this. Oh. It's not too thick and it's not runny. It's just perfect, as you can see. The peanut butter is not strong, so if I'm too much, but it's so sweet, so nice, naturally sweet. You can add in Jamaica, you can also add, if you're from Jamaica or the Caribbean, you can add condensed milk to this, make it more of like a peanut punch kind of thing if you want to add some peanuts in there, or you can just use peanut butter. Tastes so good, and it's gonna fill you up. It's gonna take me a while to finish this, so baby's loving it. Hope you guys like it. Try it out, let me know what you think. There's oats all over my lips, but if you guys would like to see any more videos like this, please let me know, and I'll make sure that I do them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. This is so good. You're gonna enjoy it. It's so good. I promise you guys. Alright, see you guys in another video.